New at 11, a man preparing to fly cross-country for a life-changing double lung transplant when his insurance company denies his coverage. Eyewitness News reporter Leanne Suter joining us live in Santa Monica with more on the man's fight for his life. Leanne.
Mark, at this point of Duran Wells' fight, his only hope is that nationally recognized double lung transplant clinical trial. He's been medically approved for it, and he thought his insurance was going to be following suit. He has just learned, though, he has been denied coverage.
It is devastating to me.
Fighting for his breath, Duran Wells is battling stage 4 lung cancer. The husband and father of 3 is also now battling his insurance company.
I'm really sad that my life is in the hands of these decision makers who seem to make these decisions in such a cold way.
The 59-year-old and his family say Cigna had approved him for procedures that would allow him to be transferred to Northwestern medicine in Chicago for a clinical trial double lung transplant he had been medically approved for. But Friday, as they were preparing to leave UCLA Medical Center Santa Monica, Cigna denied coverage for both the transplant and medical transfer to Illinois.
The last option we have is for us to take him to Northwestern, period. And I hope Cigna really understands the seriousness of the situation. We're not just a number. We were talking about his life.
Lung transplants are not a standard treatment for lung cancer. In a statement, Cigna Healthcare says in part, quote, "Our coverage guidelines are grounded in national clinical standards to help ensure the best possible outcomes for patients." As Wells awaits an appeal, friends have launched a campaign to help him get the life-saving transplant.
Duran deserves this chance that we're fighting so hard to make sure that he gets.
The once active and healthy father says his fight for life isn't over.
I'm truly hoping that Cigna will change its tune, and we'd have a positive outlook on this case, because I'm not done yet.
As Wells sits in the hospital tonight here in Santa Monica, he says that he isn't giving up. He's been told that he will hear on his appeal, get an answer within 72 hours. That will be on Thursday. And in his case, every day counts. Live in Santa Monica, Leanne Suter, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.